everyone, and welcome to
our tea channel.
My name's Jude. I use they, them pronouns.
Yeah, my pronouns is he or him.
And what's your name?
Merrick. I like to call them dog.
Yeah. Today we're going to be showing a Bird and Blend tea haul. We're looking over at the cat. He wanted to show them.
Yeah. Let me get Parker.
And this is Parker.
Yeah, this is Parker.
That's our kitty buddy for today.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Parker is on the doll's bed.
Okay, and one thing I wanted to say that was super sweet is I had asked if they could include for my sample something that Merrick would like or might like, something kid friendly. And so here's a note they wrote. Hey Jude, I popped in mint chocolate rooibos for your child to try. It's caffeine free and tastes a bit like mint chocolate ice cream. I hope they love it and that you enjoy it too. That's super sweet.
And I wanted to give it to Daw because I don't really want to try it. I just said try it on accident. Try it.
Oh, he'll probably come around.
And pretty much the only tea I like is chai.
Chai.
The
The first things we'll go over is I had a code for extra samples. So they sent, aside from this packet for Merrick, which I think he will end up drinking. You know how 4-year-olds can be. So the first one is Nearly Nirvana, which is a white silver needle tea with spearmint and jasmine. Triple B. It's our strongest breakfast tea in the range.
Hi.
Our strongest breakfast tea in the range. Full-bodied builder's tea, perfect with your fry-up. And strawberry lemonade. I'll probably try this one iced. This one is our best-selling, fantastically fruity infusion. We love it hot or iced, with or without a twist of gin. And then, so the next ones I got were, and this might actually be, I think it's 2 orders combined. I hit up their Boxing Day sale. So, okay, let's put Parker down. Let him out, please. So we have Poppin Xmas, which is butter toffee. So that's rooibos, toasted rice, fenugreek, puffed quinoa, sunflower petals, and natural flavoring. This one sounded good. I mean, of course they all sounded good, but this one sounded like something I might really like or really not. So I decided I'd go ahead and get it. Dark chocolate chili chai. So I really love chai and I really love spicy foods and chocolate. So that's why I got this. Et Mess. That is smashed strawberries, sweet crumbly meringue and cream. And then Monkey Chops. This banana tea is smooth, creamy, and simply the chops. It's got black tea, freeze-dried banana, desiccated coconut, calendula petals, sunflower petals, vanilla pieces, and flavoring. I don't know that I have ever had banana in a tea before. I'm trying to think. I can't remember one, so I really wanted to try this one just to see how that would work out. It had good reviews. So the next one is Peppermint Cream. It's a velvety milk oolong, smooth cocoa, and sweet peppermint. Again, I mentioned it before. I mentioned it before.
I got really dizzy. I got really dizzy right there.
I mentioned it before, but I really love oolong. So,
So, Mom,
looking forward to this.
Mommy, that's what I'm doing.
Chocolate digestives. It's a smooth cocoa hit with a chocolatey biscuit base. This one is Sri Lankan black tea, cocoa nibs, cocoa shells, fenugreek, licorice, cardamom, natural flavoring. Then I also got carrot cake. Joe he doesn't drink any beverages that are hot. That's my spouse. But he really likes carrot cake. Merrick likes carrot cake. I might try this hot and iced and see if Joe might want to try a little bit.
Angry cat, though. That's it.
And last but not least, this is salted caramel Lebkuchen. I got 300 grams, which is a not insignificant amount, I know. No, I have not tried this before. It's traditional German gingerbread dipped in decadent salted caramel. It's Sri Lankan black tea, ginger, apple pieces, Sri Lankan black tea, ginger, apple pieces, cinnamon, rose hips, cardamom, cloves, orange peel, and natural flavoring. So here's the thing, is I love pretty much all flavors of gingerbread. When I was little, apparently, I really enjoyed molasses. And we spent years, when I was a kid, living in Germany. And so a lot of those flavors and foods and all of that, a lot of them are comforting to me, and I just really enjoy them. So I cannot wait to try this. It's been killing me because I've had this for a week or two. And I haven't tried it because I wanted to film this video first. Through no fault of their own, this took a long time to get to me. I ordered it before Christmas, and I did not get it until after New Year's. They sent it almost right away. It's just that it's sat in New York for about a week, maybe a little longer. Yeah. So I'm really looking forward to trying that one. Can't wait for Merrick to try the mint chocolate ribos. He's just being 4. And actually all of these sound really good. Again, the banana one. I don't see banana too often in a tea. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to trying all of them. But the banana one, because again, you don't see, I haven't never had one with banana. You don't see it very often. I'm looking forward to the Lebkuchen one. And the dark chocolate chili chai. I don't think I've had a spicy tea yet. And that sounds weird now that I say that. If I have, it's been a really long time. But yeah, I don't think so. So, yeah. So I'm really, really excited to try Bird and Blend in general. Like I said, I've heard nothing but good about them, and they have a lot of yummy sounding flavors, and I would totally order from them more often if shipping weren't such a bugaboo. Come open a store in Florida. Anyway, so thank you for watching my video. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.